Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't seen my face before, then my name is Anais and I don't normally look like this. I definitely don't have cheekbones like Angelina Jolie and I don't have huge horns that come off my face, but today I thought I would sit down and film a Maleficent Halloween makeup tutorial. Get ready with me. I really enjoyed filming the last Halloween makeup I did. I will link it up here so you can check that one out also, and hopefully I should have another Halloween makeup look up before actually Halloween, well, the actual Halloween date on the 31st. So stay tuned for that. If you did like this video and you do like this makeup look, then please smash a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Also, a big shout out to Morgan, who is a girl that I work with. She actually made these horns and I saw them on her Facebook and I was like, I really would love to borrow them and wanted to do a Maleficent makeup look, and kindly she did let me borrow them. So I thought I would create this makeup look for you guys. So without further ado, I will stop rambling and we can get on into the makeup. But yeah, let's get spooky.